This is the future of unlocking. A car door handle that opens with your face. No keys, no fobs. It's just you. In the next few minutes, I'll take you through how this technology works, why it matters, its benefits, possible risks, whether it's ready for everyday use. Think about the journey of car security. It started with traditional metal keys, then came remote key fobs. Soon after, smartphone apps began unlocking our cars. And now, the latest step forward. Facial recognition built directly into the car door handle. It's fast, it's futuristic, and it promises a new level of convenience. At first glance, it looks like a stylish handle with a glowing light, but inside, it's a compact powerhouse. There's a small camera, often infrared, so it can see clearly, even in the dark. There's a processor, designed to handle sensitive biometric data. There's an actuator or tiny motor that triggers the latch. And finally, there's an LED ring to give instant feedback. Red for air, green for unlock. So in one slim handle, you get a complete security system. Let's break down the process. Step 1. The handle detects motion as you approach. Step 2. The camera captures a three-dimensional map of your face. It's not just a photo, it measures depth, shapes, and distances between key features. Step 3. That information is converted into a mathematical template, an encrypted code that represents your face. The template is compared with stored profiles saved securely inside the car's system. Step 5. If the match is correct, the actuator releases, the LED glows green, and the door unlocks instantly. Most systems also include liveness detection. That means they can tell the difference between a real human face and a printed photo or video. Some even detect blinking, subtle movements, or infrared heat signatures to confirm you're alive and present. Why does this matter? First, convenience. No more searching for keys when your hands are full of groceries. Second, speed. Doors unlock in less than a second, making short trips effortless. Third, shared access. Family members can be added as authorized users without handing out physical keys. The moment the car recognizes you, it can adjust seat positions, mirrors, or even climate settings to your personal profile. And finally, security. Key fobs can be hacked or cloned, but biometric data is much harder to steal. Imagine walking toward your car on a rainy day. No need to dig through pockets or bags. The car sees you and opens instantly. Or picture a family car, where each parent and even older children have their profiles stored, making sharing the car seamless. Valet and guest modes are another example. You can give temporary access without ever handing over your actual key. Here's how a typical setup works. First, enrollment. Stand in front of the handle or use the in-car system to capture your face from different angles. Second, recognition. Every time you approach, the handle wakes up, scans, and matches your face. If recognition fails, maybe you're re-wearing a mask or the camera is blocked, you can still use a PIN code, a phone app, or a backup keycard. In most cases, recognition takes less than 1 second. And if you enroll yourself in different lighting conditions, with or without glasses or hats, the system becomes even more reliable. Now, let's talk about the other side of the story. Is this safe? High-quality systems store your biometric template on the device itself, never uploading it to the cloud. That means your face data stays inside your car, encrypted, and cannot be accessed remotely. However, not all systems are created equal. Cheap or poorly designed versions might be tricked by photos, masks, or 3D models. That's why liveness detection and encrypted on-device storage are so important. There are also privacy questions. Do you want your car collecting and storing your biometric data? If yes, make sure the manufacturer guarantees local storage and frequent firmware updates for security. A few quick answers to common questions. What about at night? Infrared cameras are built to work in complete darkness. What about glasses, hats, or masks? If you enroll with your typical looks, good systems will still recognize you. And what if it fails completely? Every system comes with a fallback, a PIN, a keycard, or a phone app. Face recognition car door handles are no longer science fiction. They combine convenience, speed, and futuristic design in a way that could make traditional keys obsolete. But like any technology, success depends on execution. Choose systems with strong security, liveness detection, and clear privacy policies. So what do you think? Should face recognition become a standard feature in every car? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who loves futuristic gadgets.